In this video, I'm going to teach you how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. You might join someone on Roblox without being friends to participate in a public game they're playing, or to collaborate with creators or streamers in events without adding them to your friends list. To begin, access the Roblox homepage on your preferred device, such as a laptop or desktop computer. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Then select the Settings option. Upon entering the Settings page, you will need to scroll down slightly until you locate a section labeled Social Networks Visibility. This area controls who can view links to your social media profiles. To ensure these links are accessible to everyone, change the visibility setting to Everyone. Next, return to the top portion of the Settings page and select the Privacy and Content Maturity tab. Within this section, locate the Visibility and Private Servers category. Click on it to expand its options. Under this category, you will see the Show Current Experience Status setting. Adjust this setting so it is visible to everyone. After completing this, remain within the same category but look for the Private Servers option. Click on it and update its status to everyone as well, ensuring broader accessibility. With these steps completed, return to the Roblox homepage. Anyone, even those not on your friend list, can now use your social media link to join Roblox and access your experiences. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.